Lecture 1. What is Microsoft Teams and why use it? Welcome everyone to our first lecture on Microsoft Teams. Whether you are studying, managing group projects, or preparing for internships, understanding how to use Teams will help you stay organized, communicate effectively, and collaborate with ease. In this lecture, you will learn what Microsoft Teams is, why it's useful, and how it can support your academic and professional communication. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of this session, you will understand what Microsoft Teams is and what it's used for. Recognize the key features that make it helpful for collaboration and communication. Identify practical ways Teams can support your academic or project related work. What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a digital collaboration platform that combines chat, meetings, file sharing, and teamwork, all in one place. It's part of Microsoft 365, which means it works smoothly with tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. Think of it as your virtual team room, where you can connect, plan, and get things done, whether you are on campus or working remotely. Why use Microsoft Teams? Let's look at the core benefits. Centralized communication. No more scattered message across email, WhatsApp, and text. Teams lets you message classmates or colleagues, reply in threads, and keep everything organized. Real-time collaboration. You and your team can work on the same Word or PowerPoint file at the same time. No need to send multiple versions back and forth. Meetings and calls. You can schedule video calls, attend live sessions, and even record them for later. It's perfect for online classes, group check-ins, or one-on-one tutoring. Channels and organization. Inside each team, for a class, project, or group, you can set up channels for different topics. This keeps conversations and files grouped logically. File sharing and storage. Upload your documents, assignments, or reference materials directly into the chat or channel. Everything is saved and easy to access later. Common use cases for students. Group project coordination, class discussions and Q&A, file sharing with professors and peers, online meetings or study sessions, keeping track of deadlines and shared tasks. In short, Microsoft Teams helps you work smarter, not harder.